Okay, I wanted to do a quick update on these greenhouses that we purchased from the school and kind of show you guys what they are so that you also can become libertarians, because being a Democrat or a Republican is generally a bad idea. So these greenhouses are being torn down so they can build field houses. And this is an end house. This is where we'll put our farm store. You know, it's insulated metal roof, full controls and automation. You can see we've already started labeling it and everything else. And so it'll be ridiculous just because of how nice this is going to be when you look at quality of greenhouse that this is. Because as you look at this separating wall, that is very nice glass separating it and insulating it from the greenhouse itself. The greenhouse has the automated shade cloths, the full water wall, the fans, the heaters, water heaters, the exterior. Let me get it to show you. The exterior fans. It is an amazing greenhouse with multiple different zones for the watering. It is set up to be just ridiculous. This is 2 water hanging baskets from the ceiling. I already took down the tables and all that type of stuff, but this greenhouse is one that was designed for the ag program. And because they're building a field house for the sporting and athletics events, both of these are coming down and they're buying a new 40 by 60 and moving it over a few hundred yards. So I was able to get these for a really good deal. You can see we've already taken the roof off of this one. We've already got much further on our demolition here, or I shouldn't say our demolition, our takedown. And so it is kind of funny because these greenhouses will become an integral part of the farm. And yet here they are just being replaced because they want to move them a few hundred yards, which is very, very common for schools, particularly in Utah. Utah spends more money building our schools than pretty much anyone else. And I know a lot of people who are millionaires because they sell heating and air conditioning, chillers, fans, anything else to schools, and it can be kind of ridiculous. And so each one of these are 30 by 60. So the end portions are 20 by 30. And so it sets it up nice because it's 2/3 greenhouse, 1/3 end house. So our production facility and everything will go inside of here. And it will be a blast moving these to the farm. And I will have only bought these for $10,000. Granted, it'll take me money to take them down, redo the concrete, get everything else done. But overall, this will be much better than having tried to build a new building. So comment below what your best purchase ever was and where you got it from, because this is our 3rd and 4th really nice greenhouse from schools.